All right. So, according to Christine Weston Chandler, there's a dimensional merge, and all of the imaginary, or all of the fictional things, that exist, are all of the fictional things that exist in the fictional universe, I guess, are going to come into the real world, and we're going to merge with whoever we have as our self-stand-ins. My self-stand-in, Dat Risk, has an actual KAP in the time circle capsule. Is it going live? Yeah. Is it live? What is this? Okay. And I don't have a box designated to represent the time circle capsule, but I do have a model of the Stardust printer, and hopefully the merge is true, and this Stardust printer has become real. It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it, honestly. It's rolling around, kind of broken. There's a design of how it would work. Christine said that there was said that it was impossibilities in this dimension that we're making things not merge, and the Stardust printer is not an impossibility, and is very well documented how it would work. You see, here's the Stardust KAP recycling 3D printer that can make anything. It is blue when it's full of ions, yellow when printing, green when done, red when empty. It seems to be white, but you link it to your phone. Place on magnetic stand to recharge. Touch top to open. Place objects inside to recycle. Hold lightly to expand. Push to shrink. Print with Stardust app. The app should I'm gonna do that thing with my where I hold the phone in between my elbows. Works better. Alright, here's the box, still a reused, oops, there goes the printer. It's still a reused Christmas light, or Christmas tree ornament, box. Here's the printer. It's not supposed to be fastened here. It's a transformer. Just let me get I'm gonna move it over to ow! Dang thing. I'm gonna move it over to this wall. It takes a while to recharge, probably. It has to get like 1,000 kilowatt hours in it. Which is, a lot. It has to get a megawatt hour in it. Here's my cords. my drawer of cords. I think it's a micro USB. It's a micro USB. So, let's see. Oh yeah, it should work with the recharger for the LG Lotus, which I must have here. In here, there's okay. I tried to not get these things tangled, but they unwrapped. Let me just wrap this up a little bit. Alright. Wrapped it up a little bit. Oh, it's because Jeff was in here. That's probably why. These things are not wrapped up. This is an old iPhone. What did it look like? It wasn't like this. This isn't it. This is another one of those. This looks promising. This is a micro USB to micro USB. Man, I just realized it would take a really long time to recharge on a micro USB. The original version, of course, the main version is a version in the PIM. You wouldn't really need you wouldn't really need something out of the Stardust printer if you weren't using it for food. That's why it takes so long to recharge, because it doesn't need to. Right. Let's see. Low battery. My phone's probably gonna die before I find the cord. That's why I'm getting a new iPhone soon. Fuck. Because the battery life is awful on this phone at this point in time. You can get the battery replaced, or you could for a limited time, but that limited time is over. Ow. Where's the... Alright, this is... Alright, I'm gonna say that this is going to work out, because this is the right recharger. Alright, so let's just put everything back here. And yeah, I got waterfalls going through my head. Ow, ow. I posted about that chest pain thing, but I don't remember what it's called. I'm just getting a lot of that right now. Let us just plug this in. Let us just plug this in. And this is having to... Right? I know there's a port somewhere. Fuck! Rotate, 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 rotate. I can't hold it steady and do the things that I need to do with my hands at the same time. I think my mouth is over the camera. Hold on, let me plug this in. I wish I had any kind of help from somebody else just to hold the camera at this point. It's the only thing I need. If I could have gotten help to actually make the thing, maybe I wouldn't be depending on some ridiculous claim about... No. Fuck. Ow. Maybe I'll just... Nope. Alright, I'm just gonna put that up there, but it's gonna fall. Fuck. Rotate! The whole thing is rotated the wrong... My camera's not rotated correctly. I didn't put any sort of device in the model that fastens this in place. Yes! Yes! It's recharging. I'm gonna have an actual Stardust printer in... Well, no, but... There's the Stardust printer. I wish I could show you the app. The Stardust printer that I got in the Time Circle capsule. It was sent from the future through the past. Oolong himself. Oolong themself. Sent the Time Circle capsule into the universe when they created it. And it contains information about the future, and it collects information as it goes through the course of time. At the end, when Oolong gets the Time Circle capsule back, they will look back in what we, the people of this universe, wrote in it, and they will and they will check it against the information that was sent, locked in the time capsule. From the last universe, and they'll see if it's the same universe. And if it is the same universe, Oolong will take the infinity sphere, also known as the pause ball, and share it. The sphere, which contains the energy of the larger universe, or actually one collapsed item in the larger universe, and share it with all of Oolong's civilization, ushering in an age of unlimited energy to solve the Oolong energy crisis. Amen.